In today's video, we're diving into the AuthorVoices AI review, where we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. If you're looking for a powerful tool to enhance your digital marketing, improve content creation, or streamline your business workflows, stick around because we've got the full scoop. And trust me, you'll want to watch till the end to uncover a surprising feature that could change the game for you. Now, before we dive deep into the details, I've got a special offer for you. You can try AuthorVoices AI for completely free through the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on this chance. Let's get into it. First off, AuthorVoices AI is a revolutionary tool that's making waves in the content creation space. It allows you to generate human-like voices for any type of written content, making it perfect for everything from podcasting to audiobooks, explainer videos, and even digital marketing campaigns. If you've ever struggled with the time-consuming process of recording voiceovers or paying voice actors, AuthorVoices could be your new best friend. One of the standout features of this software is its natural-sounding voices. You'll be amazed by how realistic the AI-generated speech is. Unlike older text-to-speech programs that often sound robotic, AuthorVoices AI delivers clear, fluent, and expressive voices that could easily pass for a human. Whether you need an authoritative tone for a business presentation or a warm, friendly voice for your brand's podcast, this software has you covered. Another crucial thing you need to know is that AuthorVoices is incredibly user-friendly. There's no need for complex setups or advanced technical knowledge. Just type in your text, choose the voice you want, and hit generate. The software takes care of the rest. This ease of use is a huge time saver, especially if you're looking to create a large amount of content quickly. One of the best parts of AuthorVoices AI is its customization options. You're not just stuck with a few generic voices. The software lets you tweak the pitch, speed, and even the emotional tone of the voice to suit your needs. Want a faster-paced voice to hype up your audience? Or maybe a slow and steady delivery for a serious topic? With AuthorVoices, you have the power to fine-tune the experience exactly how you want it. AuthorVoices also comes with an impressive library of voices. You'll find a diverse range of voices, including male and female options, with accents from all over the world. This is a game changer for businesses or creators who want to reach a global audience or cater to specific markets. From American English to British, Australian, and even non-English voices, you have tons of options at your fingertips. And here's a feature that sets AuthorVoices apart: multi-language support. If your business caters to customers in different countries, you can easily generate content in several languages. This is incredibly valuable for international marketing campaigns or companies with a global customer base. You can now localize your content without needing a translator or voice actor for every language. On top of all that, AuthorVoices integrates seamlessly with various content creation tools. Whether you're working on a script for a YouTube video, a marketing email, or an audiobook, this AI software fits perfectly into your existing workflow. This means less time switching between platforms and more time focusing on what matters most: growing your business and creating quality content. Finally, and this might be the most important thing to know, AuthorVoices AI is constantly improving. The team behind this software is committed to continuous updates and improvements, ensuring that it stays ahead of the competition. As the software evolves, expect even more advanced features, voices, and integrations to make your content creation process even smoother. So, if you're looking for a way to streamline your content creation process with realistic human-like AI voices, AuthorVoices AI is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget, you can try it for free using the link below. And after trying thousands of AI tools, I've got my recommended AI software options in the description that you can explore. So make sure to take a look. That's all for today's AuthorVoices AI review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.